Hi, welcome to my sewing room. Today we are going to be unboxing the Bernat b79 Yaya Han Edition sewing and embroidery machine. This is our top of the line Bernat machine, and it is a phenomenal little machine with so much capability, and I think you're absolutely going to love what's in the box. So we're going to pop over and Chelsea's going to help us unbox this, and I'll walk you through what is coming out of the box as we find it. The first thing I love is the color of the box. It's cute. So in the very top layer of the box, that is a copy of Bernina's V9 creator software. This is the first time that I've ever seen a Bernat come with embroidery software, and this will allow you to create all sorts of designs of your choosing, whether you're into cosplay or costumes or just creative decorative things. A knee lift for your machine. And that would be the 6x10 hoop with its template. A 5x7 hoop.
This one's so cute.
And I don't think that's a 4x4. Is it a 4x4?
I think it's a 50 by 70.
50 by 70 millimeters. Fabulous. So lots of nice hoop options depending on where you want to put your embroidery. And there's the extra 8 presser feet that are carefully selected by Yaya Han to go with this machine, and a user manual.
It's purple.
Ooh, we'll open that bag of goodies up close. And that would be the embroidery stitch plate. Oh, secondary bobbin case for embroidery. That will help with your tension and embroidery. And a power cord.
Tighten.
Are the cardboard handles poked in? Oh, much smoother. Look at the size of that extension table. That will be a great work surface for when you're sewing bigger projects. Maybe a cape or a dress. And a dust cover when you need to put your machine to bed at night. And there is the embroidery module with its purple arm. It's such a cool color. It's pretty. And look at that. There she is. The Bernat B79 Yaya Han Edition machine with all those great purple details on the outside. That really stunning little hexagon design that looks a little sci-fi, a little modern.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. And tucked inside it would be its foot pedal. And it's got a slide-on accessory case that we'll be able to look in a moment. Okay, some of the accessories in the box include a secondary bobbin case for embroidery, pack of needles to get you started. Oh, another pack of needles. The first one was embroidery needles. Second one was regular sewing needles. Then I see 1, 2, 3 spool caps. Oh, there's actually a 4th one.
Thought there was another one. These are the ones that jump for freedom all the time.
So having 2 included is fantastic.
That's awesome.
Few little bobbins, and it's a drop-in bobbin system, so it's really easy to see when you're running out of thread. And oil. And a lint brush because sewing machines do make lint. Oh, with a sneaky little seam ripper. Isn't that cool?
Exciting.
Thread net if you have threads that are slinky and slippery. And a secondary spool pin. That would be a screwdriver to probably help you get your stitch plate on and off for when you're switching between embroidery and sewing. Automatic buttonhole foot. A seam guide that will slide into some of your other feet. Free motion quilting foot.
Have that upside down.
Sure do. I believe that's the embroidery foot. A button sew-on foot, because definitely you might need buttons on your costumes if that's what you're making. That would be a free motion foot, I think. I haven't read the manual on a Burnett in a minute.
That looks like a free motion foot.
Yeah.
That's what I would go with too.
That's probably a zipper foot.
Invisible zipper, probably.
Nope, regular zipper. But the B79 has dual feed, so you've got the dual feed capability in with that foot.
Beautiful.
That looks like a blind hem foot. And an overcasting foot. And then a clear sole foot, so you can see right to your needle. And then the secondary stitch plate, that'll be for embroidery. And then the extra feet.
I can't wait.
So the accessory feet that come with the B79 Yaya edition are a little bit different than what the regular packs of feet include for Burnett. Because you might need different feet if you're making costumes than if you're doing something like quilting. So it comes with a great little workbook that will show you what everything is.
They jump for freedom.
They did jump for freedom. We can use the cheat sheet in here. The non-stick sole, zigzag foot. A binder attachment.
Ooh.
Or a binder foot.
That's a great attachment.
Right?
It's great when you're doing bias binding.
And that one, I can't see it. That's an open toe, like a decorative stitch foot. So if you wanted to use some of the really cool built-in decorative stitches to embellish your costumes, that's the foot you might want to use. That's a gathering foot, in case you need layers and layers of gathering for an elaborate costume. Secondary shank to attach your feet. And that's an invisible zipper foot. And that one is a ribbon couching foot. So if you wanted to stitch ribbon down, that's going to be the foot to do it.
Cool. There's lots of things that'd be great for. That could be really cool for like a ribbon skirt.
Right? And that foot in your hand now is the rolled hem foot. If you're working with delicate gauzy layers. And that one is an edge stitch foot. So you can get your top stitching bang on where you want it.
It's a little guide.
Right? Such a lovely accessory package.
Did you say there was more things in here, Leah?
I don't think so based on everything we found so far, but it would be in the slide-on case if it was. No, but there's a space for all those feet that come with the machine to hide. So nice, not M&M storage. Storage for your feet.
And there's a extra
Bobbin.
bobbin inside the machine.
Mm,
And I bet there's an extra spool cap.
maybe. Right now we can't see.
Nope.
There's an embroidery stitch out sample. Oh, there's a stylus up there though for the touch screen. But not an extra spool cap. Touchscreen stylus. Fabulous. So cute.
It's so cute. That was fun.
So, Chelsea, what's your favorite thing with this machine?
I like that it comes with all the extra feet because you never know till you start sewing that all those feet are going to be incredibly handy. Like the binder attachment for bias binding, that is an excellent tool.
Yeah. I'm most excited that there's software.
Oh yeah,
because
that's
if you're
pretty
creative
cool.
and you're trying to recreate a cosplay, it's often very hard to find those specific designs and emblems that you're looking for. And great news is we've got software classes recorded, so we could get you started as soon as you take that machine home.
Yeah.
And this is a limited edition machine, so there's not lots and lots available, but there's definitely a few as of right now. And we'd be happy to help you find your perfect machine. And if you were to get one now, early September of 2023, you could probably make a Halloween costume and be ready for Comic Expo come spring.
You probably can.
That's what I would do.
I think that's a great plan, Leah.
Yeah.
I'm
Love
down.
it. Thanks for joining us. Hope to see you in store.
Bye.